Hey beauties, welcome back to Creative Contour by Carla. As per your requests, we're doing high frequency part 2, so let's get into it. So today's video, I'm actually going to show you the 4 different attachments that my high frequency machine comes with. So this one is called the Mushroom, and it's great for the entire face neck area. This one is called the Bend, and for those of you who are acneic like me, it's great to hit those little spots. This one is called the Tongue, and for my own use, I don't really see the difference between this one and the Mushroom so much. It's the comb that you use for your hair. And beauties, as I mentioned in the last high frequency video, high frequency is a gentle microcurrent that helps cleanse the skin. I hope you found this helpful. I recommend you consult a licensed practicing esthetician to see if you are a good candidate for high frequency. See you soon!